As the most important part of Ripple's legal battle with the SEC comes, investors are on edge, hoping that XRP will win. As XRP's price shows signs of strength in Ripple's case for a mere $10 million settlement plays out, all eyes are on the next 13 days. The SEC is getting ready to file its reply brief, which means that the result of this legal battle is still uncertain. This could have effects on the future of the XRP ecosystem. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Let's begin. Now we're going to start with breaking. India and Nigeria have agreed to stop using the US dollar for trade as a major currency. Nigeria is a part of Honor Freak. They make it possible for digital purchases to be made across borders and within countries. Honor Freak works with Ripple. With XRP, BRICS makes the deal even better. We could see more news here. First, though, you should buy BRICS. India and Nigeria have agreed to stop using the US dollar for trade as a major currency. The second one basically let us send and receive money in Nigeria through our Age Network's bank accounts. Here we can see that Ripple is working with Honor Freak to help more people in Africa get access to money. Next, since the important dates are now here, an XRP blasting move at any time, the 6th of May 2024. The SEC puts its reply brief in a sealed envelope. The 7th of May 2024. Parties meet to talk about the cuts that each side and third parties want, if there are any, to the return brief and copies. The 8th of May 2024. The SEC files a version of the reply brief that has been cut down for the public, along with any supporting documents that have not been marked as confidential or highly confidential by any other party or third parties under the protective order. The SEC only makes the provisional cuts that the other party or third parties asked for during the meet and confer. 13th May 2024. Parties and any third parties file omnibus letter motions to seal all materials linked to the briefing on remedies, including briefs, statements, and exhibits to back them up. Parties and any third parties can also file plans to cut down on these products. 2024 May 20th. Letter briefs are sent to parties and any third parties who are against omnibus letter moves to seal. Under the joint plan, the parties would also have to file versions of all the documents that have been redacted for the public within 14 days of the court's decision on Andrew's omnibus sealing motions. Karneski. Let's go. Gary Densler avoids answering the question of whether Ethereum is a security or not once more. He is well aware that XRP and Ethereum are not stocks. Another thing is that he and the SEC lied to Congress. This is the real scandal, not whether cryptocurrencies are stocks or not. Japan is fully on board with the XRP system with a bank. XRP will be used by a well-known group of banks in Japan. Every bank in Japan will use XRP by 2025. We also have some great news about the XRP ledger. Bradcoin XRP is without a doubt the best meme master of the XRP system. Plus, we could see almost all the changes right here. But let's look for more. Not the title hook, but a smart move XRP 589. Map of Atlas. Since March 2020, the Atlas line has held the price of XRP, which are shown by the 9 strong yellow circle touch spots. Triangle in white. If XRP breaks out to the upside, the measured move would be to $1.50, would be the start of the big global breakout that happens around Fibonacci 0.786. Triangle in blue. The price could go all the way up to $589, which is close to Fibonacci 1.618 if the blue triangle's controlled move breakout happens. XRP Army. Hold on. A small pump to $1.50, zero, a big pump to $5.89, 9 planned. What? Because the macro pump could go above 2 digits. XRP SAC. To be filed with the court by the due date, XRP faces Judgment Day. The Ripple and XRP ecosystem is tense because a possible ruling in the SAC lawsuit is coming up soon. The company Ripple has made its case for a $10 million payment. The price of XRP is going up. As the week starts, investors are waiting to see what will happen with Ripple's XRP in its ongoing legal fight with the US. This is the Securities and Exchange Commission. The SAC is supposed to send a return brief about remedies today, May 6th, and a shorter version by Wednesday, May 8th. People who invest in Ripple are getting ready for the SAC reply short. Crypto News Flash reported earlier that Judge Annalisa Torres said that Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional buyers did need to be registered and backed by securities. Sales on public exchanges, on the other hand, were not required to do these things. As the question of penalties was still open after this split ruling, the SAC did file an interlocutory appeal at the time, though. The SAC wants a big fine of almost $2,876 million in restitution, $200 million in pre-judgment interest, and the fine itself. In addition to the fine, the government wants to stop people from selling XRP to institutional buyers in the future. Ripple opponents pushed for a much smaller fine of $10 million, saying that there had been no fraud or manipulation in the purchases. The company places itself under the least severe set of penalties under the Securities Act. These penalties are for general violations. Ripple also pointed to the fact that charges against directors Chris Larsson and Brett Gallihouse were dropped for careless disregard. Ripple also made sure that its XRP sales were legal by only working with accredited buyers or using ODL contracts that don't allow for profit or loss. Even though a final decision would be good for investors, the fight might not be over yet. The crypto community is expecting an appeal from the SAC regarding the July 2023 decision, since the SAC thought that programmatic XRP sales did not follow securities laws. This is how we test. The SAC's interlocutor appeal motion was turned down in October 2023, but there is still a chance of an appeal after the final ruling. Also, Ripple CEO Brett Gallihouse said that his company is ready to take its case against the SAC to the Supreme Court. As Crypto News Flash said earlier, what does the future hold for XRP? XRP's future is uncertain because of this continuing legal case. On Sunday, XRP traded below the 80-day and 20-day exponential moving averages, which is a sign that the price is going down. But XRP has disappointed expectations by going up by 22 to 25%. It has been trading at 54 cents for the past 24 hours, and the number of trades has gone up by an amazing 13.6% to 747 million, while the market value went up by 2% to $30 billion. Based on XRP's recent trend, a break above the support level at 57 cents could lead to a run at the 60-cent handle. On the other hand, if XRP falls below the top and bottom trend lands, it could go down to 50 cents. With a value of 48.16 on the 14-day RSI, it looks like XRP will fall below 50 cents before becoming oversold. In general, the next few days will be very important for XRP because the SAC's reaction and decision to let the matter be considered made it possible for A. As of right now, the price has gone down from yesterday's high of 57 cents. We can see how it went down and is now staying around 54 cents. I believe that's pretty good because the market is likely getting ready for a big move. We're waiting for the traded volume to drop. Once it does, we'll see what happens next, whether it's a huge drop or an enormous boom. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Peace, and see you in the next one.